Bears want you to believe that open is dead and that this is the beginning of its massive downfall. However, they are wrong. They are 100% wrong. In today's video, I'm going to be telling guys why I'm remaining bullish on open at around the $4 levels. With that said, hit the thumbs up button if you guys do like my open coverage. Again, I am bullish, so if you guys want more bullish videos on open, hit that thumbs up button. If we get over 150 likes, previously it was 100, we are raising the bar. If we get over 150 likes, I'll continue coming out with my coverage of OPEN. Now, in today's video, let's get breaking out what the heck's happening to Open. So, Open's cousin, OPAD, is running today. All right, surprise, surprise. All right, OPAD is running and it's went absolutely crazy, guys. It was up 65% today. Now, if you watched my previous OPAD video, I told you guys I don't see it breaking above 650 without news, and that I would be a buyer around $3. Now, it came down to 326, ripped to 650. All right. So good stuff over here when it comes to OPAD. Now the reality is that I do think that this is taking a lot of eyeballs and volume out of open, considering they do pretty much do the exact same thing, right? But well, not the exact same thing, but you get what I'm saying, right? They're relatives when it comes to the family of stocks, right? So with that said, once we start seeing some selling off in OPAD, which is going to be, it's coming, okay, sooner than later. We are going to see some massive movement to the upside when it comes to open. I do see open retesting the $5 levels again. Now, is it going to be able to break above these levels? I'm not too sure. I think it's going to hold between $4 to $5 until we hear further news from either the company, whether it's positive and it goes to the upside, or it's negative and it starts slipping to the downside, right? Unfortunately, guys, negative news will absolutely destroy this ticker. If we hear anything about a dilution, boy, oh boy, be ready to see the worst of the worst when it comes to this ticker. Right now, the reality is this is a ticker which not long ago was trading at $15 a share. And I think that, when it comes to a realistic price target, I think that the test of 10 could be potentially in the works if we are able to actually shatter this this $7 to $8 range, right? This $8 level is going to be extremely strong. It's going to be the next level of resistance for the ticker if we do actually manage to break above the $6 range, right? Now, again, for me, I told you guys this before as well. I doubt we're able to ever break above $6 without actual news, right? So this whole short squeeze, oh my gosh, short spawn on days to cover, blah, 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 this all freaking, schizophrenic thing which you guys got going on, right? Do that on your own time. The stock's not going to break above 6 without news. It's just not. It's not happening. Now, if the markets continue trending upwards, we're going to see 5. If the markets continue trading sideways, we're going to see 4. But 4 to 5 where it's going to start trading from here on out until we do hear either positive news or negative news. So what does that mean? That means stay calm, be patient. If you have conviction, hold on, right? Hold on. Now, if you don't have conviction and you're just in it for a trade, I do think that there are honestly better trades for you to go ahead and, potentially take opportunity on if you are a trader. Now, again, remember, if you have conviction, hold on tight. And I think that this is so important, right? I think that you should set a timeline. I always tell people, I say, have a timeline for the stocks that you're holding, right? Are you planning on holding a stock for the rest of the week? Are you planning on holding a stock for multiple years? Now, why does this matter? Why is this so essential to your success as a trader? Because let's say that you're planning on holding a stock for the next 5 years. Okay? Very cool, right? For example, if you watch my videos for a very long time, you know that if let's go to your channel. Go over here. Right? If you watch some of my oldest videos, I used to be very bullish on Palantir. I mean, I still am very bullish on Palantir, right? But this was, for me, a position which I was just holding. Even SoFi, right? BBAI, like these were positions where I'm just holding and holding and holding and holding and holding and holding, right? For a very long time, right? And, I didn't let the price volatility mess up with my conviction. Why? Because I was like, hey, this is stock that I'm holding for the next 10 years. Right? So when you think about a stock like Open, if you're planning on holding it for, let's say, the next 5 to 10 years, it's really important to establish that with yourself, because let's say that tomorrow the company has bad news and the stock falls. Well, then you look at your watch and you go, the stock is down today. Well, I'm planning on selling in 4 years and 233 days. Why the fuck do I care if it's down today? Who cares? That's when my alarm's going to go ring, 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 ring for me to sell. So if it's down, shut up, I might just go pick some more up because it's a good trade. It's a good setup. This is what you need to, this is the level of conviction you need to have in order to succeed in the markets, right? So many of you guys are just throwing shit at the wall and seeing what sticks. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. If you want consistent results, you need a consistent strategy that is consistently proven to work. That's what you need, right? Not just random, oh my God, chaos here, chaos there. Let me go buy this, let me go buy that. It doesn't work like that. Okay, it doesn't work like that. Now, let me tell you something, okay? If you're being inconsistent right now in the markets, nothing changes if nothing changes. So I got good news for you guys. I added 10 more spots. The last 10 sold out. I added 10 more spots yesterday to the Discord for the 50% discount which we had going on. So right now, I think a couple of those sold off as well. There's 8 spots now. There's 8 spots on sale. 50% sale for the next 8 members that join. I might add 2 more, so we'll just say 10. For the next 10 members that join the Discord. All right, 50% off. Now listen, you're skeptical, and you should be skeptical. You should be skeptical. There's a lot of weird shit going on in this industry, right? That's why we're the only Discord that offers a 2 weeks free trial. 2 weeks free. Free. You can't afford free? I don't know what to tell you. Okay? 2 weeks free. After that, 30 days money back guarantee. Give it a shot. We already have over 400 members coming back month after month after month. Why? Because they're making money. That's why, okay? Previously, we used to do a 7-day free trial. It will give you access to my day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, all the goodies, lessons, one-on-one access. Previously, we used to do a 7-day free trial. Now, we do a 2 weeks free trial. So Wilson says, hi Sam, thank you for hard work on our community. My 7-day free trial finished. It was great. I thank you for the membership this week. 7K in 7 days. We've been going crazy. We've been absolutely kicking ass. I mean, you know, before joining Top Share Academy Monday, I've been negative 12 Ks. Let's jump to present day, actually. You know, these are a little bit older. I don't know why we're here. Look at this. Literally today. This is today. Thursday, August 20th. Good end of the month. Learned the importance of risk management. Took 6K out, by the way. So $20,000 in a single at Sam Ashon helped me surpass my job. I have to say, I've been a member. I forwarded this from the chat. 500K on my 10K account. Give me some. I've been watching Sam's course over and over again. I'm having super. It's only the. Thanks to this Discord. Maybe pause it and read some of these. Literally new member. This is my first day trading with you on the small account. I'm losing. I'm up 13%. I appreciate you, brother. Let me react to that real quick. We've been kicking ass. All right. So give it a shot, guys. See if you make money. If you make money, come back for more. If you don't make money, pack your bags and leave and don't come back. Right. Like that's the #1 advice I always give people. Nice to find out have a good week. $20,000 in a single week. Give it a shot, right? Give it a shot. 15,000 pounds in a single day. I mean, crazy stuff. And yeah, so right now, again, next 10 members that join, it's 8, but let's just say 10, round it up. Next 10 members that join, 50% sale. Give it a shot. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. And thank you for watching. Yeah, remember, 150 likes. I'll continue my coverage when it comes to open. All right. And I'm a bull. Okay, I'm a bull. So, you know, you guys need some bulls on your side, right? Hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, man, I'm so proud of what we built here. Honestly, I'm reading these messages. I'm like going over them. I'm like, damn, I don't remember when this was posted. And it brings me a lot of joy. It brings me a lot of joy to be the guy that's able to help people. Honestly, thank God. Anyways, thank you for watching. Happy business trading. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.